Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Kawasaki ZX6R. We're going to take a walk around this mid-weight sports bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. As you can see, this bike is in very good condition, super clean, and it does have a Monster edition on it. As you'll see here, everything is super clean. Monster passenger cowl, custom back blinkers, tank pads, steering stabilizer, aftermarket bar ends, grips and levers, frame sliders. You can see this bike is super clean. Carbon fiber mirrors, bronze tinted windscreen. Front tire on this bike has still got a lot of mileage left on it. Good shape still. And you can see that carbon fiber mirror again, along with the frame sliders. And then here's those bar ends and grips and levers. Tank does have one little touch-up spot on it right here. As you can, hard to see in the video, but you can see it with the naked eye. And there's an aftermarket rear blinker again. Back tire's in good shape, got a lot of mileage left on it too. Bike has 3,234 miles on it. Still the factory exhaust, which sounds good. This ZX6 will be going through our 24-point pre-sale inspection. Will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from Simply Street Bikes, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.